In this video, we are going to talk about the vitamin which will make you happy, which will uplift your mood, and it is vitamin C. Now, how does vitamin C act as your happy vitamin? This is because vitamin C is needed to convert tryptophan into 5-hydroxytryptophan, which is then converted to serotonin. So serotonin is very important neurotransmitter that keeps depression away and it makes you happy. A sense of happiness is achieved when you have good level of serotonin inside your brain. So vitamin C is needed for hydroxylation reactions. So vitamin C, by converting tryptophan into 5-hydroxytryptophan, can make you happy, can uplift your mood. Then vitamin C is also very important to synthesize bile acids from cholesterol. Now the initial reaction requires an enzyme, that is 7-alpha hydroxylase. Now this enzyme needs vitamin C as a cofactor. So in absence of vitamin C, this enzyme will not work properly. That means you are going to be deficient in your bile acid. Now bile acids are important for proper digestive health, but in this regard, why bile acids are important? Because bile acids will activate your vitamin D receptors. Now why do you want to activate vitamin D receptors? Because when there is problem with your receptors, what is going to happen, that you are going to be deficient in vitamin D, which is independent risk factor for depression, anxiety and other neurological problems. So even if you keep supplementing with vitamin D or keep spending all your day under the sun, but if your vitamin D receptors are not working properly, that will mean nothing, because that is not going to increase the level of vitamin D inside your body unless you have functioning receptors, because vitamin D is a hormone, so it needs receptors to express itself. So you want well functioning receptors. So vitamin C will ensure that your vitamin D receptors are working properly and you are not deficient in vitamin D, because it will synthesize bile acid from cholesterol. Now vitamin D is independently important because it keeps inflammation down, it improves immunity and it modulates your immune response. So these three things are important in improving your brain functions. So vitamin D is independently important in healthy brain. So you want to make sure that you are getting enough vitamin C so that your vitamin D receptors are working properly. Although the RDA of vitamin C is set around 100 mg per day, but if you want better brain function and better immune function, you must aim to get at least 500 mg of vitamin C per day through food alone, because it is very easy to get this amount through food. One medium sized guava contains around 165 milligram of vitamin C, and there are other sources of vitamin C like papaya, bell peppers, citrus fruits, lemons, oranges. So you can easily get 500 mg per day of vitamin C through food alone, and this will ensure better brain function and better immune function. So if you want to be happy, start eating lot of colorful fruits and vegetables, because these are going to improve your brain function by synthesizing tryptophan, by synthesizing bile acid and by bringing down inflammation.